into the Tiltawhirl. So that was level 1. So we have 1, 2, hand down at the diagonal for the 4. It bends back up to the 5. As she rotates, it just catches nice and easy, but it has to drop again to the 6, then 7 and 8. Then from here we did a Tiltawhirl. Leaders, you're going to invite her with your spinal tilt into the 2 by rolling the arm down. Then as she takes that a little further, you're there to kind of catch and guide. As ladies, you bring that left arm up nice and high. So watching that from the other side, this first level, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Then the hard part. We did the same Apache, but we didn't hand off the hand. So we kept his left to her right the whole time. So it went 1, 2, 3, accelerate, and 5. Right? Leaders, you're on her right. You come back up across the track 6, lowering the hand to the 7, letting it slide back up to the back of the armpit. This is her cue that a head roll is coming, right? It's not on the side, it's not on the top, it's kind of hooked back, and the fingertips are kind of in the top of my armpit. Normal, actually. Then from here, as I tilt my head to the right, I use my head. Kyle's very quick to catch this left hand. He stretches away, putting an end to my downward momentum, right? This is 1 hold, 2, we come on up. We change sides 3, 4. He brings me out 5 and 6. Okay, watching it from this side, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, up 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good job, you guys. Have fun.